A panic attack is like a fire alarm's gone off in your head. Your amygdala, which is the thing in your head which is responsible for the fight or flight response, has been activated in error when you're in the supermarket or you're in a work meeting, rather than being faced, with a saber-toothed tiger. The problem is that we respond to it as though the danger is real. So we get very distressed, we try and leave the situation, we just want that feeling to go away because we believe it. When actually what you should do is stay put and show your subconscious that you're not in any danger.